Do you ever sit down to study or work and suddenly your brain feels scattered? Like you can't focus for more than a few minutes before reaching for your phone? Instagram might be the real reason why your attention span is shrinking. And it's all about how your brain works. Dopamine and rewards. Every like, comment, or reel gives your brain a little hit of dopamine, that feel-good chemical. It's like a tiny reward each time you swipe. And because the reward is unpredictable, your brain keeps chasing it. Scientists call this a variable reward system, the same trick that keeps people hooked on slot machines. Attention span shrinking. Instagram trains your brain to expect fast, new stimulation every few seconds. Tasks that require slow, deep focus, like studying, writing, or reading, suddenly feel boring. Your brain starts craving short, instant hits instead of long-term effort. Information overload. Scrolling through hundreds of posts in minutes floods your brain with information. This constant overload makes it harder to filter distractions and stick to one thought for long periods. A few simple changes can make a big difference. Set limits. Use app timers. Even 30 minutes a day forces you to be mindful. Replace the habit. When you feel the urge to scroll, swap it with a quick walk, a stretch, or journaling. Create focus blocks. Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of pure focus, then a 5-minute break. Move Instagram off your home screen. Out of sight, out of mind. So how many hours do you spend on Instagram every day? Check your screen time and drop it in the comments. See how real this problem is? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who can't stay off Reels. Let's build better focus together.